Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit reports in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, we need to access to our reports. So basically, go to the app launcher and then search for reports. We click on it and basically you can also have it in your tabs, but let's just go and access it. So from here, we will find all the reports that we have. So we can choose any report and then go to these actions. Either you can access it each report by its own. So let's choose this one and wait for it to load. And after that, you can start editing on this report. So we can click on edit and then you can start add your modification on the report. So basically you can start choosing the rows that you want or the groups that you want to include in the report. For example, I'm going to remove the subjects and now I do not have subjects. Of course, you can start adding groups like for example the assigned, type, etc. And then you will need just to save and run so it can refresh and start a new report. So as you can see now, it will add all the information that we added and we can click on edit and you can start, for example, adding new columns to your report, for example, task subtype, and let's just wait it for to load, for example, a subject, etc. So as you can see, you will need just to refresh and now we have our modification that will be showing. And basically, you will need also to start using the chart properties and you can add any parts of your groups that you have for your access. So as you can see, let's just add some group and you can choose from this group that we have. So I'm going to make it type and basically we need just to refresh again and now we will have another group that will be added, etc, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.